Stop speaking basic English. If you want to sound fluent, you need to change this today. In the next few minutes, I'll show you simple sentences that will make you sound like a pro instantly. Most English learners make the same mistake. They use very basic, simple sentences every single day. And because of that, they never sound fluent. But here's the good news. You don't need difficult grammar. You don't need big vocabulary. You just need to change a few sentences. Let's start. Instead of saying, I am very tired, say, I'm exhausted. It's short, it's powerful, and it sounds natural. Repeat after me. I'm exhausted. Good. Next one. Instead of, I am very hungry, say, I'm starving. This is what native speakers use. Repeat. I'm starving. Great. Now listen carefully. This one is very common. Instead of saying, I don't understand, say, I don't get it. It's simple, but very natural. Repeat, I don't get it. Perfect. Let's go to the next one. Instead of saying, wait a minute, say, hang on. Short, fast, native style. Repeat, hang on. Nice. Now. Instead of saying, I am very busy, say, I'm tied up. This sounds more fluent. Repeat, I'm tied up. Good job. Here's another powerful one. Instead of, I am very happy, say, I'm thrilled. Feel the difference? Repeat, I'm thrilled. Excellent. Now let's make it real. Imagine your friend calls you and asks, can you come now? Don't say, wait a minute. Say, hang on, I'm coming. That sounds natural. Another situation. Your friend asks, did you eat? Don't say, yes, I am very hungry. Say, no, I'm starving. See the difference? This is how you improve fast. Not by learning hundreds of words, but by using better sentences. Now here's a tip. Don't just watch this video. Speak with me. Repeat every sentence out loud. That's how your brain learns. Listening is not enough. Speaking is the key. And one more thing. Use these sentences today, in your real life, with your friends, with your family. Even if you feel shy, just try. Because practice creates confidence, and confidence makes you fluent. So starting today, stop using basic English. Use smarter sentences. Speak clearly, speak confidently, and you will see the difference. Keep practicing every single day. Your English will improve faster than you think.